India and Sri Lanka.
The island Republic of Sri Lanka is situated on the south coast of Indian subcontinent.
This location puts it on the crossroad of sea navigation and lends it a natural geopolitical importance in Indian Ocean. The island of Sri Lanka was under the British Crown colony rule until 1948. Thus, Sri Lanka became independent almost during the same time of Indian independence. Early relations. Indo-Sri Lankan relations spans over a period of 4,000 years. There are two major ethnic groups, that is, the Sinhalese and Tamils, who trace their origin to India. Both India and Sri Lanka share a historical bond. People of both the countries, India and Sri Lanka, joined together in struggle for freedom from British colonial rule and for a new democratic national identity. Political ties and relations during freedom movement made new links between them. The significance of India's interest in Sri Lanka after independence was to promote a policy of good neighborhood. Causes of disputes between India and Sri Lanka. From the mid-1950s to early 1980s, there was hardly any disputes between the two countries on the matter of security and sovereignty. There had been negotiated or arranged settlement of bilateral issues. Example, the question of jurisdiction over Kachativu Island in the middle of Palk Strait. It means Kachativu. It is a Sri Lankan disputed territory claimed by India until 1976. The island is located between Nedunthievu, that is in Sri Lanka, and Rameshwaram, that is in Tamil Nadu, and has been traditionally used by Sri Lankan Tamil and Tamil Nadu fishermen. So thus it is a disputed territory. One of the main disputes between India and Sri Lanka has been regarding the political status of Tamil people of Indian origin taken to Sri Lanka by the British as a plantation laborer. That means these Britishers has taken Indian Tamil laborers to Sri Lanka for plantation purpose before independence. After independence of India and Sri Lanka, the people of India became the refugees to the Sri Lanka. They claimed that the Sri Lankan claimed that these Tamil people of India should not stay here. So this was the main problem against Indian Tamil in Sri Lanka. Thus there existed disputes between India and Sri Lanka. There are four groups of Sri Lankan Tamil population. Number 1, ancient Tamil in the Jaffna Peninsula. Number 2, professional elite. Elite means selected group Tamil in urban area. Number 3, non-Hindu Tamils. And number 4, Tamil immigrant laborers. Tamil immigrant means what? Tamil settler or the newcomer. The long-standing problem of Tamil is accepting the Tamil-speaking population of Sri Lanka as its citizen and giving them regional autonomy. That could not be solved. The majority of Sinhalese or Sri Lankan people demanded Indian Tamil should return to India. They denied the citizenship of Indian Tamils by enacting the Ceylon Citizenship Act of 1948. This was dissentile. Dissentile means what? Avoidable them, their franchise and other rights of Indian Tamil. In 1965, Indian Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri and Sri Lankan Prime Minister Mrs. Sirumao Bandaranaike signed an agreement about Tamil citizenship, but in vain. That means that is not successful. Later, in 1981, agreement between Indira Gandhi and Sirumao Bandaranaike was not implemented, was not successful due to the Tamils' refusal to return back to India. Because think, students, these plantation laborers, they came to Sri Lanka during the British rule, and thus India got the independence in 1947 and Sri Lanka got the independence in 1948. So the Indian Tamil became the refugees to the Sri Lankan. They continued their life from 1948 to till 1981. How could they go back to India as Indian citizens since they continued their life in Sri Lanka? Thus it leads to the major problem to the Indian citizen of Sri Lanka.